my friends. I'm sending this out to you early. This is actually about next week. So next week's going to be a little weird. We're only going to do Zoom meetings on Monday and Wednesday. Okay, so only two. And they'll be at 10 a.m. The link's in the email that I just sent you. And then the rest of the week, you're going to focus on completing Track My Progress, but doing it at home, which I know is going to be really different. The reasons we want you to do this is because we need to know what you missed and what your teachers next year need to go back and cover in case we didn't get to it through distance learning or you didn't get the extra help you needed to understand it. I need to know that. So it's okay if you don't know all of the answers, but I desperately need to see what you know, okay? So what I want you to do on Monday, you're not going to spend any longer than 45 minutes on a test a day. So for example, if I'm working on my math test and 45 minutes hit, and yes, set a timer, okay? 45 minutes hits and I'm not done, I'm not going to work beyond that. I want you to stop, okay? Stop testing, get off the computer, walk away, and come back to it the next day, okay? If you start and your siblings are running around like crazy and they're being loud and you can't focus, stop testing. Come back to it later. It's okay. You have all week to do both of the tests. There's a math test and a reading test. You have all week to do both of them. Please take your time. For math, make sure you have scratch paper next to you so that you can really work each problem twice. Make sure your answers are correct. Make sure you have a general idea. Check your work, okay? On reading, read everything 3 times, just like we do in class. Read the questions first, read it 3 times, go through each thing, go slow. Keep in mind, I can see how long you're spending on your test. I can see exactly how long you spend on every single question. So if I notice that you had a 5-paragraph story to read and 6 questions to answer and you spent 15 seconds on the whole thing, you didn't read it. So please, because I will be watching and I will be tracking and I will call if you're going too fast, okay? Also, there won't be any extra Common Lit this week. There'll be no Common Lit this week at all because I want you focused on your testing. We're also not going to assign any new math for 5th grade. If you have a 6th grade math teacher, if you go up to Miss Sexton, Miss Holmgren, Miss Maddox, Miss Roundy, or Miss Albrecht, you probably will have some math this week, okay? But the rest of you won't. There'll be no new math on con. There'll be no new Common Lit. What I want you to focus on is finishing Track My Progress. You're welcome to make up anything that you've missed from the last few weeks. And play outside, read silently. Don't stress about the other work, okay? Take your time, all right? It is going to be kind of a weird week, but it'll be really valuable for your 6th grade teachers and for us to know so that if there is something I can cover in the next couple weeks to help you guys next year, I would love to be able to do that, and Track My Progress helps me know that really well. You guys killed the Track My Progress in January. You did so good. Everybody grew and everybody tried, and that is the best. I don't expect perfection. I expect growth and I expect effort. And you guys did so good in January. I am so excited to see how you do. So just try. That's all I ask you, okay? Have a good weekend. An email will come out Monday morning that will have the 3 numbers you need to track my progress. So the account ID, your user ID, and your password. It'll have yours specifically. So I sent one out to each family with that in it. Okay. We're also going to send out, Miss Jacobs does a stretching, a yoga stretch that she does before testing. That's really good. So we're going to send that out to you as well. Watch it before you test. No more than 45 minutes a day. Go slow. Okay. Bye, guys. You're going to do amazing. Don't stress, okay?